Yeah.
So you just go to half. Back to you there. Much better. Okay. Are you ready up there?
Yeah!
Let's see. Take this tempo back up to 196. Okay, guitar starts it. Okay. And click it here. When you get to that halftime part.
I forgot the tempo
You
changes.
got to feel the halftime as simply cutting the meter in half. You're cutting it in half, but you're also rushing just because you think there's more intensity to that. But don't play faster, just play harder. Recording. A little bad guy in there. Try one more time. By the end of that, it turns into a fill of some kind, so you won't be able to finish the measure. Yeah. Oh, your click check is up loud. It's bleeding. I'm going to have to turn it down.
You're not there, Jeff. Like a parker.
You got that on video?
Did you?
You ass!
So how you feeling about today?
Pissed.
Cameron's always good.
So Cam, you make it sound real good, buddy.
I know what this is. It's Glee. Fuck you, Glee.
At least the shit, alright? I learned about high school.
You already out of high school.
I learned more. I learned about acceptance, friendship, and wheelchairs. Think I'm playing?
When did you and Hunter switch places?
Recently.
Yeah, really.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
I went to go move my car and he switched and
Then I started rocking. Not rolling.
Rock and roll ain't noise pollution.
Smack it.
That's next.
You should hear our good song. The one that's not going on the EP.
So I thought I should have on makeup and be from like Norway burning churches. I really have makeup right now.
You're a drummer.
Much crab core. Lots of crab core. Such a changing face. What's up, boys? You get sometimes? Hop up. Have fun. I like that. Some badass logo through there. Come on.
Who's it at? Come on. Just say it like Chris Griffin.
Where's the bass drop?
Come on.
Come on.
It's not over.
Get over it.
That's the end of the show, guys.
It's done.
Dun.
Why are you
I
such
don't
a
know.
tease?
Boom.
Dude.
Just in the duffel bag.
And I write words.
Let's get that A string out and mess around.
I would play the Jensen.
Could we put 20 bass drops in every song?
Can we put that bass drop there and just see what it sounds like? Somewhere.
So it sounds sick.
I just want to see what it sounds like.
Sounds pretty hilarious.
Yes.
Dude. Put the longest bass drop you have.
Put the camera on this. Put the camera on this.
I have them labeled by size. I haven't. There's plenty of 808s.
Have you seen that yet?
No. There's an
There it
8
is.
billion in 8, and then I made an 8.
There it is.
Can I please hear the 8 billion one?
So stupid.
Dude, please.
Have you heard the Chelsea Green, the longest bass drop or whatever?
All they did was edit and put it.
Yeah, someone edited and put it in, but it's like, no joke, it's like,
I'm a
it's like
president.
35 or 40 seconds of just straight bass drop.
Yeah, it's dumb.
This is it.
You want to join our band?
You want to head out? Okay.
Yeah, guys, I think we'll roll. I'm not feeling so hot.
So,
So,
don't
man.
crash and die.
Yeah,
Yeah. I hope you're alright, man.
thanks, man. I just think
You're feeling better, dude.
I think I just got some of that good old fashioned food poisoning.
We got-
After you throw it up, you'd be
You
all
have
good.
died.
Go
of
home, shit it, throw it up.
Yeah, I'm hoping it's going to be
Yeah.
the shitting. I'd much rather shit it out.
Yeah, the
than
bad taste in your mouth.
Yeah,
Sometimes it comes out both ends.
At the same time.
God, thank you guys. It's making it way better.
Okay.
One of your oxen has
Are you guys
died.
solid?
We're good, yeah.
man.
So tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
I didn't eat none of the funky
Are
chicken.
you free all day tomorrow?
So how do you think we did today as far as drums go? Think it's metal?
It's math. Math. Metal as fuck.
There's the thing, Cam.
There goes a watt.
Hunter.
It's
So-
half.
It's a
Pack is
GT
fat.
though, not a GTS, and it's
We
automatic.
just put them together. It was like monk as fuck.
What?
It's metal and punk. What you want, bitch? Fuck you.